Hey everyone, I want to share some amazing items on sale this month from Norwex. This is always a big month for cleaning and just keeping things tidy and bringing out the new, right? So these items, in my opinion, will help us save some time cleaning and support a healthier home. And here's a little tip. There's some good stuff on here. If you already have and love some of these items, think about them for gifting, for birthdays, bridal or even baby showers, even Christmas, because let's be real, it's never too early to get a head start on Christmas shopping. I hate scrambling at the last minute. So these are April only deals, and they're really a great way to stock up or introduce someone new to Norwex. So the first item on this sale I love. This is great little starter set for anyone new to Norwex. This is the Safe Haven Earth Day package, and it's only $83. Normally would be $110.96, so we're saving 26 bucks. So this is a bundle that really celebrates Earth Month. It's a powerhouse. We've got the Enviro cloth, the window cloth, this pretty dusting mitt in this beautiful amethyst color, the power cleaning paste, which I've been using a ton lately for spring cleaning. And we've got 3 packs of the Powerzyme laundry detergent. Really a nice little set to help with whole home cleaning with just water, safer for the family, safer for the planet, and it's one of my favorite all-in-one ways to start with Norwex. Okay, who's ready for the next item? Where are my fur moms? If you know me or watch my videos, you know that I have a huge husky. So we have our pet drawer mat on sale for $44.99, and we're saving 50% off. So this is great for my pet parents. This traps dirt, pet hair, moisture, even chemicals that might be on the lawn before they're tracked into our home. It's super soft, really durable. I love the print, and honestly, my husky loves to nap on this. Plus it has back lock in it, which is gonna keep it fresher longer. I have one at our back door and also one underneath the food bowls. Next up, we have our carry-all half moon bag. It's only $22.49 this month, normally $44, so we're saving 50%. So this is one of those, where has this bag been all my life kind of bags. It's perfect for organizing skincare, makeup, travel essentials, power cords, things like that. It has a water resistant pocket on the inside, which I love. I love keeping a damp Enviro cloth or even a damp body cloth in here. This also has backlock, which is really cool. It has silver, helps keep odors away, the mold, a mildew. I love the deep blue color, and the little gold accents are just a nice touch, a little bit of luxury, right? So whether this is in our bag or on our bathroom counter, it looks really nice too. Okay, the next item on the sale is the Power Cleaning Paste. You can get this for only $18.49, which is 50% off. Talk about a bestseller. Power Cleaning Paste is our elbow grease in a jar. It's great for removing rust stains, soap scum, hard water stains, even permanent marker if you've ever seen any of my demos. It's super long lasting and very eco-friendly. It's made without any harsh chemicals. Just use a damp Norwex cloth or a scrubby and go to work. My husband has one in the garage. He loves it too. Okay, next item is a big favorite in my house. It's the Chenille hand towel. So the one that's on sale is the mushroom color. This is oatmeal, but mushroom's very neutral. It's only $15.99, so we're saving 50%. This is ultra absorbent, so soft. I love this. I love anything that's neutral. That way I can kind of change out some of my other stuff in the bathrooms or around sinks and it still goes nicely. So this has our silver in it, so it keeps it fresh, it dries hands quickly, and it also has a towel bar loop, so it's going to stay put. It's great for bathrooms, for kitchens. I have one in my utility room. And did you know that most towels in a bathroom have E. coli on them? You're never going to have that kind of issue when you have a Norwex towel in your bathroom. Okay, now we're going to talk about the kid version of that Chenille hand towel. We have our Pet to Dries on sale this month in the mermaid and the shark, and they are such a great deal. I believe they're only $13.99. They help make hand washing fun. They build really good habits early. They dry fast. They have this nice little Velcro loop at the top to hang it on the towel bar. They're also infused with the backlock, which is our silver, keeps them fresher longer. I like these for bathrooms, backpacks, even on a stroller handle, they work great. These are also a great gift for teachers. Okay, next item is the dry shampoo on sale for $22.99, 50% off, or you can get the refill for $17.99. These are awesome additions to your personal care routine. One container of this will last me about 6 months. So this uses upcycled rice powder and white charcoal. It absorbs oil, it adds volume without the heavy, chalky look. It's plant-based, vegan, it smells amazing. It works fabulous on light or dark hair. Once you put it on and kind of rub it in, it is invisible. All right, next up is another favorite of mine. It's the body and face pack. So we have two options on sale. I'm just gonna show you one. This is denim and light gray, or you can get it in marine, a 3-pack for $12.99. These are so good for the whole family. They're ultra soft cloths. They gently cleanse the skin using just water, no soap or harsh chemicals that might be drying to the skin. They're very good for all skin types, including delicate and mature skin. They'll even remove face paint and magic marker. So I love these for all of my customers who have skin sensitivities and break out easily. These are wonderful. They also have backlock, which makes them fresher, longer, and great for your daily skincare routine. All right, we have a diamond kitchen towel in this beautiful amethyst color for $12.49. We're saving 50%. These kitchen towels are my kitchen must-have. They're awesome. They're made from 70% recycled microfiber, super absorbent. One towel will absorb about 2 cups of liquid, but they're very quick drying. They're perfect for drying dishes, wiping down counters, drying hands. This nice diamond weave adds a little bit of style while also being a crumb grabber, and it helps reduce paper towel waste. I just love them, and this color is really pretty. Next, we have something for the littles. We have the small dusting mitt in a hedgehog. This is $19.49. We're saving 50%. This is so cute. It's designed for little hands. You see my hand's not little. You can get your littles involved with cleaning. This small little dust mitt grabs dust and dirt using either the soft side or the chenille microfiber. No sprays or wipes or paper towels needed. It's really fun for little kids to get them involved in daily routines and start those habits early. My 3-year-old granddaughter loves this. All right, next we have a window cloth in this puzzle pattern. So this is actually a special edition window cloth. It features this colorful puzzle design in support of autism awareness. And like all of our window cloths, it provides a streak-free shine on our glass, our mirrors, our windows, using your Enviro cloth with just water, and then you use the window cloth completely dry to polish it up. No chemical sprays needed. It's a beautiful way to clean with a purpose. This also makes a wonderful teacher gift. And don't forget, this month we have some amazing new customer specials. You can get free shipping on any order of $99 or more this month. And we also have some really awesome spend and save deals. So this wraps up our amazing April only savings. So whether you're restocking some of your favorites, or you're trying something new, or maybe thinking about gifting them, these are such a great way to live cleaner and shop smarter. So let me know in the comments which one you're most excited about. Have a great day, and I'll see you again real soon.